Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make kimchi with little bit Balinese twist. So this recipe inspired by Korean lady Maangchi, who I have been following for some time on YouTube. So let's start. First thing, I'm going to introduce all the ingredients I'm going to use later. So here I have napa cabbage, or in Bali called sawi or sawi putih, and also I'm going to use some pressed water, glutinous rice flour, salt, gochugaru or Korean red pepper flakes, fish sauce. I'm using the Korean fish sauce, salt, roasted white sesame seed and roasted black sesame seed, onion, radish, carrot, garlic, lemongrass, and this is the spring onion. So let's make it. First thing, I'm going to make porridge. So I'm going to add half cup of fresh water, and then I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of the glutinous rice flour, and also I'm going to add half tablespoon of white sugar. We need to stir first, so make sure it's no lump. And I'm going to put to the low heat and keep stirring. So here it's important that you keep stirring the porridge, because we would like to make the shiny later and also completely no lump. Now the porridge is ready, and this is the consistency you need. Look at this. So I'm going to put it in the bowl now to cool it down. So let's put aside. So now I'm going to cut the napa cabbage. So here I have is around 500 grams of napa cabbage. Let's cut it this one, and then I'm going to divide it to two. So I'm going to cut it this much. So it's small like this. You can just cut it like this, so you don't have to divide it. But for this one, I'm going to divide it because it's quite wide. So I'm going to wash this for 3 times. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hello, I'm back. So I have been washed this for 3 times. So I'm going now to mix with 2 tablespoons of salt. So the first thing you do is I get the 1 tablespoon, and then put some of the napa cabbage and sprinkle with the salt. Some more, and I'm going to add another tablespoon. And just make sure all is covered with salt by turn it over. I'm going to cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. So now I'm going to prepare the kimchi paste. First thing is I'm using 4 garlic cloves, which is I'm going to cut into small pieces. And then this is the Balinese twist, which is I'm going to add lemongrass to the paste. Some onion. It's about 10 grams. And I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of Korean fish sauce. And blend it until smooth. And we're going to put into the rice porridge. And now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of gochugaru. And now we're going to prepare the vegetable. So here I have radish, I'm going to use half of this. Slice thinly. Add to the paste. I'm going to add the carrot. So add to the paste. So the last one, that is a spring onion. I'm going to cut this diagonal. Let's mix it. I'm going to put this aside, and it's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to wash the napa cabbage again for 3 times. So look at this, you can see it's the water because we mix the napa cabbage with some salt, so that's why the water come out from it. So now I'm going to wash it 3 times and I will be back later. Bye bye. Hello, I'm back again. So here the napa cabbage, after I wash again for 3 times and I drain them as well. So you can see here the water. And now I'm going to mix the napa cabbage with the kimchi paste. So better I use my hand. Actually, every time I make kimchi, I never keep it for a long time, only for 3 days, because everyone loves eat kimchi at home, and it's just like a snack. And also it's good company for the rice and some grilled chicken or fish. So let's mix it. So now let's split it. And now I'm going to add sesame seed. Here we are, kimchi with lemongrass. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I'll see you next time. Matur Suksma. Bye bye.